Welcome to Tech Xlovers. 8 incredible inventions that you didn't know existed. Pedal. Pedal is a new type of sensor that is designed to monitor wounds. It is paper-thin, battery-free and uses AI to analyze the wound environment. Pedal can detect a variety of wound-related biomarkers, including temperature, pH, and moisture. It can also detect signs of infection or inflammation. Pedal was developed by researchers at the National University of Singapore. The sensor is still under development, but it has the potential to be a valuable tool for wound care providers. Pedal could help to improve the accuracy of wound assessments and to identify potential complications early. Free-aim VR shoes. Free-aim VR shoes uses a combination of sensors and actuators to track the user's movements and provide feedback to the VR headset. This allows the user to walk in VR in a way that is more natural and immersive. Free-aim VR shoes were developed by a team of researchers at the University of Southern California. The shoes are still under development, but they have the potential to be a valuable tool for VR users. Free-aim VR shoes could help to improve the immersion and realism of VR experiences. Jetzy drone. Jetzy is a drone delivery system that is designed to deliver medical samples and other sensitive materials to and from laboratories. The system uses a fleet of small autonomous drones that can fly safely and efficiently in indoor and outdoor environments. Jetzy was developed by a team of engineers and scientists at the University of Twente in the Netherlands. The system is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way that laboratories operate. Jetzy could help to improve the efficiency and safety of laboratory operations, and it could also help to reduce the risk of contamination. Sound Piano Lift. Sound Piano Lift is a piano moving system that is designed to make moving pianos easier and safer. The system uses a hydraulic lift to raise the piano off the ground and transport it on a trolley. This allows the piano to be moved without having to be disassembled or lifted by hand. Sound Piano Lift was developed by a company called Sound Piano Lift in France. This system is still under development, but it has the potential to be a valuable tool for piano movers. Sound Piano Lift could help to reduce the risk of injury to piano movers and to damage to pianos during transport. Freedom Tracks FT1. Freedom Tracks FT1 is a wheelchair attachment that allows users to go off-road. It's a pair of tracks that attach to the wheelchair's wheels and provide traction on loose surfaces such as sand, snow, and mud. The tracks are also self-inflating, so they can be adjusted to different terrain conditions. Freedom Tracks FT1 was developed by a company called Freedom Tracks in the United States. The attachment is still under development, but it has the potential to be a valuable tool for wheelchair users who want to explore the outdoors. Freedom Tracks FT1 could help to make wheelchairs more versatile and accessible to a wider range of people. EV4 electric off-road rollerblades are a new type of rollerblades that are designed for off-road use. They have a number of features that make them well suited for rough terrain, including large wheels with deep treads, a suspension system, and a powerful electric motor. EV4 electric off-road rollerblades were developed by a company called EV4 in Poland. These skates are still under development, but they have the potential to be a valuable tool for people who want to explore the outdoors in a fun and unconventional way. EV4 electric off-road rollerblades could also be used for transportation, as they can reach speeds of up to 20 meters per hour. Ungewohnt Vendetta. Ungewohnt Vendetta is a twin-tracked electric off-road skateboard that is designed for extreme terrain. It has a powerful motor that can reach speeds of up to 50 meters per hour, and it can handle even the most challenging obstacles. Ungewohnt Vendetta was developed by a company called Ungewohnt in University. The skateboard is still under development, but it has the potential to be a valuable tool for people who want to explore the outdoors in a fun and unconventional way. Ungewohnt Vendetta could also be used for transportation, as it can travel long distances on rough terrain. Railroad Switch Race 3D. Unistar HREM is an electromechanical switch machine that is designed to be more reliable and efficient than traditional mechanical switch machines. It uses a motor to move the switch points, which makes it faster and easier to operate. Unistar HREM also has a number of safety features that make it less likely to fail, such as a fail-safe mechanism that automatically returns the switch points to the correct position if the motor fails. Unistar HREM was developed by a company called Unistar in China. The switch machine is still under development, but it has the potential to be a valuable tool for railroad operators. Unistar HREM could help to reduce the cost of maintaining and repairing switch machines, and it could also improve the safety of railroad operations. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.